Welcome to the CVE of the week.
It's Tuesday, June 24th, and this is IT SPARC Cast CVE of the week, where we pick a common vulnerability and exposure entry that you need to know about and how to mitigate ASAP. And we got a big one today. Lou, what's going on with NetWeaver?
Let me go ahead and walk you through this, because lately we've been talking a lot about meta security issues. In this case, we are actually going to focus on a CVE. And the challenge is that this CVE is a nasty one. So it's against SAP NetWeaver. The CVE itself is 2025-31324, and it's full remote code execution. All right. So allow me to put that in context. The standard for how bad a CVE is 10. 10 is like you're screwed. Just quit your job now and become a hobo. This one's a 9.8. All right. And the reason we are picking on this one is it was patched with an emergency patch in April, and it is still being exploited. All right. So what does this impact? It impacts the SAP NetWeaver Visual Composer. So the Visual Composer is a web-based, model-driven development tool within the SAP NetWeaver program. And basically, it is what allows you, if you have SAP and you're not using this, you probably have more pain in your life than you really enjoy. This allows you to use flow analysis and like flow charting type techniques to design business applications to deploy on SAP. Everybody knows SAP can do anything, which means it doesn't do much of anything until you tell it what to do. So this is a crucial thing. But remote code execution is there, and it is still being taken advantage of. So if you have not patched SAP, because if you have SAP anywhere in your organization, chances are you have this piece. And if you don't see it, go ask your developers if anybody's downloaded it anyway. All right, because this is actively being nuked. And get this high priority fixed as fast as possible, because it is frickin' June. We should not be seeing penetration reports on this. John, do you have anything you want to add to this?
No, I just want to reiterate, that it is actively being exploited. It was patched in April. Keep up with your patches, and sometimes people get concerned about patches causing stability issues, but this shows why you have to keep up on them. And
does that cause stability issues?
But that is going to cover this episode. We wanted to make sure we got this news out to you right away, but we couldn't do this podcast without listeners like you. We do want to hear what you think. Are you guys running NetWeaver? How do you like it in general? Is this the kind of thing that you've seen before? Is NetWeaver commonly hit by these types of vulnerabilities, or is it generally pretty secure? We do want to hear what you have to say about that. Send email to feedback@itsparkcast.com or hit us up on X @ITSparkcast. If you're watching us on YouTube, leave a comment down below. We read every single piece of feedback and every comment that we get. We respond to most. And if it's particularly insightful or entertaining, we'll read it out on our Friday News Bites episodes. Also, make sure you hit like, subscribe, turn on notifications so that you never miss a single episode. And with that, we're going to turn you back to your day. From the world of enterprise IT, take care.
Stay safe out there. Patch often.